Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. It's David with 12 Volt Technologies, bringing you back on another one of our mobile on-site installations. Today we're overhauling the complete audio system in this 2017 Ford F-150. We're replacing the in-dash radio with a Kenwood touchscreen unit, we're installing a kicker key amplifier, installing a kicker 10-inch underseat sub, and replacing the door speakers with some Audiofrog G-Series components. Unfortunately, at the time we were filming this, we were experiencing a little bit of a heat wave, and the GoPro lost some of the footage. At this point, you can see we're getting started on the radio disassembly. That center channel speaker grill just popped straight out, and then a couple 7mm are hiding behind it. Once you get those bolts out, this panel pops straight up and out of the dash. Once you get those 3 plastic clips removed, you can see the last 2 7mm holding on the radio faceplate. All that's left to do now is pop off the radio faceplate and climate control panel, come straight out towards you. And just like that, we've got the Kenwood radio installed on the dash and ready to go back together. While I was taking care of the radio and amplifiers, David was installing the Audiofrogs in the doors. At this point, we decided to move on to the A-pillars, getting the tweeters installed, and we ran into a little bit of an issue up here. These trim panels are held in place with 2 clips. One that's supposed to slide closer to the handle section, and one friction tab that's closer to the pillar. Unfortunately, both of the sliding tabs on this side of the vehicle broke off during disassembly. I'm not sure if this was because it was more than 110 degrees outside when we were doing this installation, or because of the desert climate that this vehicle spent most of its life in. Either way, this is a reality of working on older vehicles, and all we can do is order replacement panels for the customer. Thankfully, this client was understanding, and we were able to get him new replacement parts directly from Ford. You can see here I'm trying to get a tool back in underneath the slide to help give it a little bit of backing and support as we move it away from the pillar, but no dice.
Damn, that one did it too.
Aside from those 2 trim panels, everything else was smooth sailing. We get the pillar out and get the new Audiofrog tweeters installed. These Audiofrog G-Series components were a big upgrade for this F-150. This truck sounded much better than when we first arrived. We also added a bass knob to the dash of this F-150 so that the client could make quick adjustments to the subwoofer. You can see how clean and factory these iDataLink dash kits look in these F-150s. And here you can see how neatly that kicker subwoofer fits underneath the rear bench. Thanks again for following along with us on this installation, guys. If you have any feedback for us, go ahead and drop it down in the comments section. If you're in the San Diego area and you're looking to get work done on your vehicles, head over to the website and fill out the Contact Us page.